Hello Al, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2018 DL1000XAL8. This motorcycle is still brand new, doesn't have any mileage. There is a $1,500 rebate at the moment, so the price after rebate is $13,158. With this rebate, you don't get the saddlebags and the center stand. You have an option, either you go for the upgrades or you just get the rebate, $1,500. This has the tubeless spoke wheels, front, back, aluminum rims. So this is the only 2018 I have in stock, and we do have the 2019 right here. It's for extra $1,000. The 2019 has $500 rebate. You can get 19, same package, and black 2019, the same package. If you have any questions regarding any of these motorcycles, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.